what's up, guys? We're Color by Airplane Story. Because why not? And I'm going to complete the 4 airplane stories. Okay, so we'll start with the first one, which is called Airplane Story. It's from Poncho Kings. Poncho Kings is a cool developer. So make sure you like it. Okay. Let's go. How much it will fail you when you are hurt? Oh no! 50 Robux! This is fun! To play this game. That's some classic music. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, elephant. Wait a minute. 2 players? Oh no! Why doesn't no one like the game? It doesn't matter. It says C1. Hello everyone. This is a captain speaking. No robots like them. Current fire and an altitude of 43 feet above sea level. So the fleet will be arriving in no time. Destination. This fleet was for the airplane. First, I need to get my safe. Where is my safe? Yes. Here. Wait. Okay. Oh! This is the seat! This is my seat! Thank you! Now your high turbulence. Wow, high turbulence. Very bad. So keep your seatbelts, guys. This is an airplane. Okay, let's see. Whoa! That's a strong runway. Thank you for your cooperation. You're welcome. Anyways, get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Ooh! Snack! Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We are delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Ooh, sandwiches! It's a mayo. Wait. Did I eat my sandwich? I think I ate my sandwich. Dot. I'm not doing very well. What happened? Wait. This sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo! Oh no! My God! He's allergic to mayo! Oh no! What's it? We need to find Vice Gold's package for medicine. Look in the package store. Oh, there's a book. God. Spice, go! Oh, found. And how about it? Phew, that was a close one. Luckily, I am not allergic to mayo. Good afternoon to all residents. I'm finding that with a stable altitude. It will be a good time. Sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay. It appears that we lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look. What is that on the white wing? Wait. It's the monster! It's the monster! You will not survive! Are those snakes? Oh no! Snakes! There's snakes! Oh no! Snakes! Oh no! Snakes! Help me! Help me! Somebody help! We're the only passenger. Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we'll be safer there. Okay, but where is the restroom? Oh, this is the restroom. The restroom. Oh, we are inside the restroom. Okay, good. But what? Where's the toilet paper for the toilet? What the heck is happening? You're right, I am about to die! Okay. We're stuck in here now. I wonder if the monster will come. Ticket! Oh. Are we stuck in the whistle or what? Power's back up. Phew, not gonna. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Yes, the snakes are gone. I am almost dying from the snakes because of the snake. The wing is also gone. Creepy. Yes, that was so creepy. That I was about to die. From the snakes. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Good news and the bad news. The good news is power's back up. Yes, we already know. Bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen! You have to jump on all of your seats. Take one, quick. Alright. Now, this mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Oh no! I bet it's the monster! It's the monster! It is the monster! It's the monster! Oh my god! What is this? It looks like a bomb! Oh no! Oh no! What are we going to do? Yes! What are we going to do? Okay, everyone! Calm down. We find something. Shut the table. Not be able to say bye. My god. Where is it? Where is it? I want to know. Come on. Faster. We gotta be pissed. Okay, guys, you have that. I found a pair of scissors. Okay, good. Which cable should I cut? I don't know. I'll cut the weight cable. What? Oh no! The weight cable is wrong. You didn't make it. Right, keep going. If you want to survive. Oh no! What's going? It's dead! Oh no! Oh no, the player! This is sad! Oh no! What's gone? It's dead! She's dead. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Never go right. We should not follow them. Check if everything is okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, where's the book? Okay, I'm still wearing my oxygen mask. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. Basically, the clothes right here. Why don't check? I think I should go to the back. No. 7, 6, 7, 5. What's this code doing there? Let's grab it. Come on. Come on. I need to grab it. Come on. On already. So it says 7, 6, 7, 5. So it must be cool. 7, 6, 7, 5. Okay, 7, 6, 7, 5. Oh, that's a clue. It's sleeping. What? They're unconscious? We need to alert the captain. Captain, move! Is there going to be a timer? Come on. extra life. I'm going back to lobby. So basically I died in the airplane story. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.